Hi, I'm Bahar Etmanen, founder of Rescu Academy and editor of rescu.com.au. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this groundbreaking relationship course and to introduce you to Annie Gurton, who is going to be your course host and love coach over the next series of Rescu Academy relationship lessons. First, I want to welcome you to this program and to let you know that by taking this step, you are taking charge of your happiness. You are also in the best possible hands. Annie Gurton is not only a highly qualified and experienced therapist, but she is also a warm, wise voice of reason to help you on this path. This course will give you and your relationship the best possible chance to not only survive, but to be a source of true joy in your life. Here's the good news. Relationships can be saved and reignited. They can be transformed. Annie Gurton will teach you how in bite-sized, easy to follow and step-by-step lessons. This course focuses on the skills, the words and behaviours that help create a happy and deeply satisfying relationship, connecting you with your partner like never before. We call this program Reignite Your Relationship. Annie Gurton has been a long-standing contributor to Rescu.com.au and was also featured in my book, Rescue Me, a makeover guide for a life more fabulous. Annie brings a lifetime of experience in relationships, research theory, and best practices to this impactful course. Most people are not taught how to do relationships. This is a skill, and Annie's lessons will teach you your relationship tools and languages that will help for a lifetime. Whether you are on the brink of a breakup, going through a flat period, getting over a crisis like an affair, or just yearning for something more from your love life, you will be inspired and ready to take action with the guidance of a skilled therapist with absolute privacy. Annie's Imago-based therapy practice is located in Sydney, Australia. Imago is one form of couples counselling and coaching that Annie believes is second to none to help couples and individuals dramatically turn around their relationships and almost instantly become closer to their partners. This course and the skills Annie will teach you will transform your communication skills to be better in all your relationships. I know you will absolutely love so many aspects of this course and the fantastic bonus tools, quizzes, and scripts Annie has packed into this program for you. You can do this course alone or with your partner. You can do this course in one sitting or whenever you have time to complete a module. After you finish this course, I would love for you to contact me with your feedback and of course any personal results of putting the lessons into practice. Now, I'm delighted to introduce you to your love coach, Annie Gurton, as she presents the Rescu Academy Reignite Your Relationship course.